Friends, I just thought to give you a little tip on what I think is the best razor and blades out there to use. You guys that are doing a lot of shaving like to do a nice straight cut if you're going around your beard, your stash, your burns, whatever you got. This is Gillette Sensor XL blades. I've checked them all out. It's a twin blade and these are the best. Give you a quick, easy shave and you can do precise cuts and lines around your hair growth. This is a razor. Again, it's a Gillette Sensor razor. And it'll accept these Gillette Sensor XL blades or regular, but the XL are the only way to go with the blades. Beautiful cut, been using them for a long time. Another note I wanted to make for you, if it helps you any, is with these razors, whenever you take the old blade out, you should take a little soap, put it on the end of an old toothbrush, and just kind of gently do this and brush it in there real good. It'll get all this built up grit from shaving off of there and give it a nice clean germ free finish. Every time you change your blade you should do this. If you ever take a good look at it, they get really filthy and you're cutting this thing onto your skin and your face and you want it to be very clean and bacteria free. So you do that little few minutes, give it a good rinse, which I don't have to show you that, but okay, what I wanted to show you now, the blades are easy to load, and last one I have in the pack here. So you just kind of take it like this and clip it right on there, and that's it. And after you do that, you're ready to go to work. As you see, these are swivel heads on here, gives you a nice beautiful cut, gets around everything, and does a great job. So check it out and have a great day. Thank you very much.